Let's be honest, JavaScript isn't exactly anyone's favorite language. It's not statically typed, it's full of weird quirks, and there's a mountain of legacy code out there that nobody wants to touch. But here's the thing. JavaScript is the only language that runs natively in the browser. That one fact alone has made it one of the most in-demand skills in the entire industry. You don't really choose JavaScript. It kind of chooses you. Now, it's not all bad. JavaScript uses a familiar C-style syntax, so if you're coming from another language, it won't feel completely alien. It has genuinely great support for asynchronous programming. And because it runs on both the front end and the back end, you can do full-stack development in a single language. Big tech companies have also poured massive amounts of time and money into improving both the developer experience and runtime performance. The ecosystem today is miles ahead of where it was even 5 years ago. Is it perfect? Not even close. But master JavaScript, and you'll find yourself useful almost anywhere in the stack. And in this industry, that matters a lot.